My team on the floor, they're using L2L. They're using the same data set as my managers are using, as well as what I'm using, as well as corporate. Prior to L2L, everyone kind of had their own pockets of information that they used to manage and understand what the opportunities were. Now, with L2L, we have one common data point that all of us can get into, all of us can see and understand.
It puts a lot more knowledge in their hands, and there in turn gives them more power to do their job. It's all at their fingertips all the time.
I start my day by looking at lead and lane, and I can look at the whole day. What happened on night shift? What happened on the mid shifts? As far as how much time has been lost on any particular item, I can track it, and it creates my tall poles. What do I need to work on today to make things better for tomorrow?
What sticks out to me about L2L is visibility, escalation. We know what people are working on and how long it takes them to complete a job. We see issues immediately through an escalation process. So it's been really helpful to help us, drive to root cause and solve problems and eliminate downtime.